Hello my friends and welcome once again to Tony's Comfort Kitchen. Now as you can see, I am not in the kitchen for once. I am actually out and about walking my dog Lola, I don't know if you can see her, and trying to use the world's worst selfie stick. Oh god. I am starting a new playlist on Tony's Comfort Kitchen. I'll just spin around. Way back in, I think it was November, I made an announcement saying that I was going to start a new channel all about British food called Great British Grub. That was all very well, but it didn't happen. Over the following months, I'm not going to bore you with the details, but it just never happened. And I've since decided to start it as a playlist on Tony's Comfort Kitchen channel instead. It just seems to work better. Majority British food is sort of comfort food anyway, so it's probably the best place to put it. It will take a different format than Tony's Comfort Kitchen, and it will have its own intro, which you can see right here. Ow! Ow. Anyway, I hope you tune in, as they used to say, and watch the watch the videos on the playlist. I will make a few of them, knock a few out, and then I'll be back to my usual Tony's Comfort Kitchen videos. So I will say a quick goodbye for now from myself, from Lola, whatever she is, and my shitty selfie stick. So I'll see you soon. So peace and love, my friends. Peace and love. Oh, and hit that notification bell, as well as like, comment and subscribe, and you will find out each time I upload a video. So peace.